Hi, Candace Smith here from RBR, and today I'm going to show you how you can use Ruskin to determine what wave periods you'll be able to capture with your wave logger. So here in Ruskin, I've simulated an RBR Solo D wave 16. So it's one of our common wave loggers. And over here, you can see we have a couple of parameters we can input. So the mean depth of water is how deep the water is. So here, perhaps you're in about 20 meters of water. And this other one here is called the instrument altitude. It's how far off the bottom you are. So perhaps you have a frame that you're mounting your logger onto, and it's maybe a half a meter from the bottom. So in this case, it actually shows you, Ruskin calculates what wave periods you'll be able to capture. And in this case, it's about a 7-second period wave. So maybe you're actually in 10 meters of water and you're using the same frame. You can see now we're capturing closer to 5-second period waves. Lastly, maybe you're actually deploying from a dock or something, and maybe the depth is only about 5 meters, but you can get really close to the surface. So you're actually 4.5 meters from the bottom because you can deploy directly onto the pier. So you can see in this case, you're actually getting wave periods down to about a second. Hope that helps.